welcome to our last advisory for first quarter. Today you should have received a paycheck and we will be going over calculating your grade point average, or as you know it, your GPA. By now you should all have been handed quarter one paycheck analysis sheet. This sheet asks you questions about your GPA, your current grades, and how your progress is looking for the SMART goals you wrote in your last advisory session. There are many different terms that can be referenced when speaking of a GPA. There is a simple GPA, which we'll be talking about and calculating today, a cumulative GPA, like the one on your academic history, a weighted GPA, and a core GPA. If you remember in our first advisory session, we spoke briefly about GPA when we looked over your academic history. The GPA on your academic history is called a cumulative GPA because it is made up of all of the courses that you've taken. On your academic history, it also shows a weighted and unweighted GPA. The unweighted strictly calculates the A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's, whereas a weighted GPA calculates in extra weighting and points if you take an honors, dual enrollment, or AP class. Last, there is a core GPA, and this is important for many athletes looking to play sports in college. It's based on your core academic classes and not your elective classes. Today, though, we are going to speak about your simple GPA. To calculate your GPA, you would assign a point value to the grades on your paycheck. A's are worth 4 points, B's are worth 3, C's 2, D's 1 point, and F's are 0. On your paycheck, write the point values next to your current grades. You'll see how the points were assigned in the graphic on the screen. Once you've assigned all the points, you will add them together and then divide by the number of classes you have, which should be 8. You should now have your simple GPA. The same process is used to calculate your cumulative GPA on your transcript, but that takes into account all of the semester grades you have earned. Now you have a simple GPA. Please look at the worksheet your advisory teacher gave you. Question 1 asks for your GPA. Question 2 is what GPA do you need for graduation? The answer to that's 2.0. And the third question may take a little research, and that's what average GPA is needed for the college that you want to attend. Please take a few minutes and answer the questions on the worksheet and reference your academic history as needed. Remember, your grades are telling your story and you are writing the book. Today, once you finish the worksheet, we have a survey for you to complete if you're in grades 9, 10, or 11. Please give those to your advisory teacher before you leave advisory today. And some of you may also be receiving your ACE results or your papers if you are testing in the fall. Thank you for your time, Red Knights, and have a great day.